What it do is your boy Pee Wee from Gutter House, and Money E Making gives you the Holly Berry Party with Chris Hurricane himself performing live Wednesday, June the 8th, 2011. Get ready at Papa's Pub in Kent. Also, $10 regular, $20 VIP before 11 p.m. No tickets, pay at the door. $2 drinks until 11 p.m. DJ Lovesick Larry keeping you moving all night. Don't miss out. It's gonna be one hell of an event. See you there, Wednesday, June the 8th, 2011. See you at Papa's Pub for the Holly Berry Party.